Okay, everyone say hello.
Hello. My name is Ugliness. My name is
Cookie Dough.
My name is...
Okay, are you guys ready? Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, hello. Hallo, ich bin heute bei meinen Gastkindern, wie ihr vielleicht in meinem letzten Vlog schon gesehen habt. Und can you tell me what is in 2 weeks from now? Do you know it? What's with the decoration behind me?
Easter.
Easter. In Germany, we have a candy that's called Ü-Eier, but you guys don't really have them in the USA. But I found a game that can do it. So we're gonna make our own surprise eggs today. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's look at it. I wrapped it around my skirt so you guys can see it.
Chocolate eggs.
Chocolate eggs.
So like first we eat the chocolate and then we open it and then
there's a surprise in there.
Okay.
So would
This
you?
sounds really fun. I do not like the s'mores.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Yes.
No.
You didn't really like it, right?
Jacob thought they were good, but
You didn't like the s'mores?
I was like,
I hope you really like this one. So this has chocolate. It's pretty much just chocolate. Both of you would need to get a tiny little toy so we can put it in the egg.
But
So
can we get a card?
You could get a card, just anything. We're gonna get it out anyways.
Yeah, and we get to put chocolate.
Everybody loves chocolate.
Ready? Let's get it out. This is our chocolate maker, I think.
Ah,
Look at that chocolate.
I want to eat it.
I don't know if you have to warm it up though. Okay, now you can cut it open, Bennett. So first of all, you would have to fill a bowl with water. Haben wir schon gemacht. Das Wasser erwärmt gerade und da machen wir dann gleich die Schokolade drin rein.
What? That's all mine.
What is that sound?
That's two. For the eggs.
Let's get it out.
We need to open the eggs.
Okay, first of all, we need to open these. How do you open these?
I can't open eggs.
Nope, I think you push. Yeah, here.
Like that, push.
And now we need to put our surprises in there. Okay, so I think your garbage truck is a little bit too big. Oopsie.
Elsa, you're going in the egg.
Would you like to show the people what you were gonna put in your eggs?
This is Drew.
From the Minions.
And this is Elsa.
From
Frozen. I'm putting mega machines in my egg.
Micro Machines sind ganz kleine Autos. Okay, we're gonna put the garbage truck right here. He can just watch us do this.
Now can we close our eggs?
Yep. Okay, got one.
I got it.
Good job.
Why
Got
can't we?
We're gonna surprise ourselves with
Our own
toys.
Elsa got open. Let me just
So
close.
this, let's just put this aside.
Are you serious? I should stop slamming it.
So this is yours, and Bennett has his already. So can you take the pink thingy off? And now we need to twist those blue thingies to open it. Each of you gets to pick one of your eggs. Which would you like to do first? This one or this one? Okay, so take this out.
Oh, it's a long way.
And then twist those blue things again.
Like this?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Pink
The
back
pink thing goes in there.
again.
Yep.
So it's extra. It's like aliens flying in a spaceship.
A flying saucer? Now we get to use this one. This is our chocolate egg surprise maker.
And then we just spin it around to
Nope,
make
this
it.
has to go like that.
A good thing I just put it there.
I think it goes like, what?
Squirt all the
It doesn't
chocolate.
make sense. I think, oh, yep, that looks pretty good to me. So now we're gonna take this one and I'm just gonna put some of the chocolate in there. Wir haben die Schokolade schon geschmolzen und die kommt jetzt in hier rein.
You're gonna get chocolate covered.
Look, the chocolate is warm.
Feel it. Feel hot. Oh, chocolate feels hot.
It is.
Why is it so hot?
Now let's put it all over Bennett to make him an Easter
I just want to feel it. Burning.
Your hands are on fire. Okay. Ow, ouchie, 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 ouchie. See, my hand. So Ella, I will need you to hold it like this. Thank you. Oh, actually here, please. And now I'm just gonna put the chocolate in there.
Oopsie daisy.
Okay. Oh,
It looks yummy though.
oh, don't move too much. It looks really yummy.
Yummy in my tummy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. I got love in my tummy. So much chocolate. Are you excited to eat all that?
Yeah, I'm just gonna stuff it all in my mouth at once.
Can you smell that? Smell.
Yeah.
Oh, yummy. Chocolate.
Yeah.
It's just chocolate, but yummy. Let's just put it in there. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in there, and then you can push it down. 1 second.
Yeah.
Okay, is everyone ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Push it. Oh, wow. Is that all? That's about it. Okay, wir brauchen auf jeden Fall mehr Schokolade.
Nein.
Oh, you have it on your chin.
No, 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 no. Let's try this thing.
Okay,
I hope it works.
Yeah. So push it down again. Yes, good job. Look at that. Why is it only going halfway through? I know. It's not your fault. It's just this thingy doesn't. Oh! Hey!
This is taking forever for the egg.
I know. Oh, you did it! Look. Want some more? Okay, let's do it again. I think it has to toot first.
Now go.
Go! Oh, it's almost there. Why does it take so long?
Okay, I got it.
Go. Go. Yes.
Bennett, I need your help.
Oh. We did it. Good job. We did it.
We finally did it.
Wir machen das kurz in den Kühlschrank und kommen dann gleich wieder zurück. Also, wir sind zurück und wir machen jetzt Bennett's Ei. Okay. Let's just put this in here for a second. Yeah, sure. So this goes right here.
And then I get to squirt it.
Yep.
What does it need?
Ooh, chocolate. Here. This might go faster than Ella, so don't do it all the way. Keep going. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. You go slower. Slower. Wow.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Very
This
good.
did not work out as well. Yummy.
I love chocolate.
Me too.
Hey, let me have some. Hey, let me have some.
Okay, your egg is almost done.
And there's some right here.
Okay.
It went a little bit better than mine.
Yeah. Oh! Okay, push it. Push it down.
Oh, get it down there. Can I have it?
Was eine Sauerei. Oh, wow, this is a mess. Look at this.
Here.
Just stop.
I'm good on my hand.
Okay.
Can I eat it?
Das ist echt eine Sauerei, weil das nicht funktioniert. Diese Spritze ist nicht dicht.
Oh, you are a mess.
I am a mess.
Too.
Is it going down?
No. I don't see it going down.
Not at all.
Yeah. It's not going down.
Okay, I don't think this is going anywhere. Okay. Ew. Let's just put this in the fridge and then we can get Ella's egg and see if it worked. Also Ellas Ei war jetzt für ungefähr eine Stunde im Kühlschrank. And let's open it. Oh, wow, Ella. Got it. Here you go. Wow, there's
Can I
chocolate
eat it?
everywhere. Would you like the pink one?
Yes. I mean, blip.
Okay, so you just put this on here, put your egg on it. This is your finished Kinder egg, Ella. Okay, this is the big finale. Ready, everyone? Ella gets to open her chocolate. Surprise. Woo! You've never seen that, ever. What a surprise. Wow.
This is gonna take a while.
How's the chocolate?
Good.
Good? Ja. Die Schokolade ist wirklich gut. Die schmeckt echt ein bisschen wie Kinderschokolade. Naja, also das Auseinanderbrechen hat nicht so ganz funktioniert. Die Schokolade hat leider nur für 2 Eier gereicht. Irgendwie war diese Spritze nicht so ganz dicht. Deshalb war das eine Riesensauerei, wie ihr gesehen habt. Hier klebt alles. Die Kinder kleben komplett. Aber ich hoffe, euch hat das Video gefallen. Wir werden jetzt noch eine Weile Schokolade naschen. Wir sehen uns beim nächsten Mal. Bis dann. Tschüss. Tschüss. Ich sehe bye. Ew. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, chocolate.
Oh, bye, chocolate. Bye, chocolate heads.